Hot sauce is a beloved condiment that adds fiery flavor to various dishes, from traditional Mexican favorites like nachos, tacos, and burritos, to everyday meals such as eggs, potatoes, and sandwiches. This versatile sauce has been crafted by an iconic American company since 1868, with its signature recipe featuring Tabasco peppers, a type of chili pepper. Over time, the brand expanded its range to include other varieties, such as habanero, chipotle, and green jalapeno peppers. The journey of hot sauce begins in the pepper fields of Louisiana and Central and South America, where expert farmers cultivate the finest peppers. Using seeds from the Louisiana crop, the company president meticulously selects the best plants for seed extraction, ensuring even ripening, juicy peppers, and healthy leaves. These carefully chosen plants are marked for harvesting, and pickers hand-pick the peppers using a petite bâton rouge, a small red stick used to match the color of ripe peppers. This labor-intensive process ensures only the finest peppers make their way to production. After harvesting, the peppers are ground and mixed with salt to create a mash, which is then placed into oak whiskey barrels to ferment and age. The wooden barrels are specially designed to allow just enough air to support natural fermentation while preserving the mash's vibrant flavor. Workers seal the barrels with paper and a layer of salt, which absorbs excess liquid and prevents contamination. The mash ferments and ages in a warehouse for 3 years, during which time it develops a rich, complex flavor profile. The process releases carbon dioxide gas, which forces liquid out through a vent hole in the barrel. The salt layer hardens as it absorbs the liquid. Once the aging process is complete, the barrels are opened to reveal a mellow, aromatic mixture that still requires further refining. The aged mash is pumped into large mixing tanks, where it is combined with vinegar and churned for 3 to 4 weeks. During this time, the vinegar breaks down the pepper solids into smaller particles, while absorbing the rich flavor, color, and aroma of the peppers. This step eliminates the need for cooking, as the vinegar acts as a natural preservative. After mixing, the mash undergoes a 2-stage milling process, during which machines first extract the pepper pulp and then remove the seeds, leaving behind the smooth, fiery sauce. Every batch is subject to rigorous quality testing to ensure it meets the company's high standards. Lab technicians evaluate the sauce's viscosity, pH, salt level, and flavor. Taste tests are conducted, with testers clearing their palate with crackers and cooling the heat with ice cream bars to maintain accuracy. Once the sauce passes all tests, it is pumped to the bottling line, where it is poured into glass bottles. Glass is chosen over plastic to prevent oxygen penetration, which could alter the sauce's flavor and color. The bottles are then capped with plastic screw caps, adorned with decorative neckbands, and sealed for freshness. Labels are applied before the finished product is boxed and shipped. The result is a hot sauce that is hot off the production line, ready to add a splash of heat to kitchens and tables around the world. This iconic product, crafted with care and tradition, continues to spice up countless meals, ensuring that every drop delivers the perfect fiery kick. Whether you prefer it mild or extra spicy, hot sauce is the ultimate companion for anyone who loves bold, vibrant flavors.